Hello everyone. So in last lecture we have already seen what is function, what was function. And in JavaScript there are some cool things. We can have function definition or function expression. So there are two way of declaring function. We will see. So earlier we have seen we have created function sum in the last lecture and it was working fine. So if we define function like this, then it is known as function declaration. Okay. And now we will see what is function expression. What is function expression? So now I will do one thing. I have already created function for the sum. So now I will create the function for subtraction. But now with we will use function expression. So using function expression, what we will do? We will write like this function. Okay. And I will define this function to some variable. Let sum equal to function. And here I will pass two argument a b and I am doing return a minus b. So what here we did, we have created one function and we have assigned this function to the variable sum actually. Okay, and if I will do the same thing, uh, and here I will mention val2 and sub. Okay, and I will do the same thing 7 6 and here 7 6. So I am calling sub function which is written in the form of expression, and I am calling sum function which is written in the form of function declaration. And what will be the output? Output will be same because both are the way of defining functions. So if I will do this, so sub 76 also executed and return a minus b. We got the answer as 1. Okay, we will now see one cool thing also. We will do uh, so here, see, you can see function sum is declared. And each time we are calling this function after declaring the function. Now, what will I do? I will copy this thing and I will call this function before defining. Okay. I have defined function declaration is at bottom, at downside, and I have called this function before declaring the function. I got the value 13. Now I will do the same thing with our sub function. Okay. And I will call this function also uh, here before defining the sub function. Okay, and if I will do this thing and if I will run the program, then some magic will happen. Then we are getting error. So what happened here? One time we are calling our sum function. Okay, before defining the function, and now we are calling the sub function before defining our sub function expression. And again, I am doing the same thing. You can see our sum is calculated. This function is this line executed, and we got the value. But later we are getting the error. So what happened here? If we are defining function like this, then we can call this function before defining the function or after defining the function. But if we are using the regular expression, regular function, okay, this is the function expression. Then actually here until code reach line 39, it does not know whether sub is function or what. Okay, so if we are defining function using the function expression, then we have to always remember we have to call this function after defining the function expression. Okay, then we will call like this. And if I was defining, if I was writing the function uh, like this function declaration, I am using the function declaration method, then I can call the function before defining the function or after defining the function. So this was the two thing: function declaration and function expression. So basically, in JavaScript, there are more type of function. Also, there are callback function and arrow function. We will see. later what all these things, but we can now proceed with our little bit knowledge of array, function, completer, if else. We can proceed further, and if the requirement comes, then we will visit also this thing. Okay, so for today video, only this content. If you like this video, then do the thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and we will see. Bye.